Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Do you want to travel across the United States by car? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience a relaxing road trip in the USA with a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please try to find the answer while watching the video. So here is today's question. What does Ellie say she needs to reach easily? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Okay, I think that is the last bag.
Wait, did you put the snacks in the back?
Yes, they are right behind your seat.
Perfect. I need to reach them easily.
Of course you do.
Are we ready?
I think so. Get in.
This is really happening.
It is our first big road trip together.
I have been waiting for this for so long.
Me too. Okay, here we go.
Oh my God, we are actually moving.
How does it feel?
It feels like freedom, pure freedom.
I know exactly what you mean.
No work, no schedules, just us and the road.
And a lot of snacks.
The most important thing.
Let me check the map.
What does it say?
It says we go straight for 100 miles.
100 miles straight?
Yes, just this one road for almost 2 hours.
That is amazing. I love it.
Look at that sky.
It is so big here.
The horizon is so far away.
I feel like I can see forever.
This is why I wanted to do this trip.
To see the big sky?
To feel small in a good way.
I understand. It is peaceful.
Should I play some music?
Yes, please. Something good for driving.
How about this one?
Oh, I love this song.
It can be our road trip song.
Our theme song for this trip.
Every time we hear it, we'll remember this moment.
The beginning of our adventure.
We should stop for gas soon.
How much do we have left?
About a quarter tank.
Is there a gas station near here?
There is one about 10 miles away.
Good. I need to stretch my legs too.
Look, there it is.
It is so small.
Just a gas station in the middle of nowhere.
I love places like this.
Really? Why?
They feel like little adventures.
I will fill up the tank. You can look around.
Okay, I will get us some drinks.
Get me something cold, please.
Got it. Sam, come here for a second.
What is it?
Look at this view.
Wow.
It looks like a movie.
You are right, like an old American film.
The empty road, the big sky, the old gas station.
It is perfect.
Take a picture of me here.
Stand right there. Perfect.
Did you check the map?
Yes, the next town is about 60 miles from here.
What is the town called?
It is a small town called Clearwater.
Clearwater. That is a nice name.
Should we stop there for lunch?
Sure. I wonder what kind of food they have.
Probably a small restaurant.
I hope so. I love small restaurants.
Ready to go?
Ready. Let us see what Clearwater has.
We have been driving for 3 hours now.
And the road looks exactly the same.
Straight and flat forever.
Is that boring to you?
No, actually. It is calming.
I feel the same way.
There is nothing to worry about out here.
Just drive and think.
Or do not think at all.
That's even better.
You have been quiet for a while.
I was just watching the land.
What do you see?
Nothing, really. And that's beautiful.
I know what you mean.
In the city, there's always something to look at.
Signs, buildings, people.
But here, it's just space.
Empty space.
It's not empty. It's full of quiet.
That's a nice way to say it.
I don't think I'll forget this view.
Should we take a picture?
No, I think this one is just for our memories.
You are right. Some things are better remembered than photographed.
This road is one of them.
I will not forget this.
Me neither. This road, this sky, this feeling.
And this quiet time together.
It's the best kind of quiet.
The sun is going down.
Look at those colors.
Orange and pink and purple.
It is like a painting.
The sky is getting darker now.
Should we stop?
Let us drive a little more. Night driving is nice.
Okay, I trust you.
Turn off the music for a minute.
Why?
Just listen.
It is so quiet.
Just the sound of the car.
This is really peaceful.
I think the quiet is more romantic than music.
That is very sweet.
Look up when we stop.
Why?
The stars.
Oh, wow.
Let me stop here.
Good idea.
Get out and look up.
Oh my God, Sam.
I know.
There are so many stars.
More than I have ever seen.
I cannot find any shapes in them.
There are too many stars to see patterns.
That is a good problem.
Just look. Do not try to name them.
You are right.
How do you feel?
Happy. Really, really happy.
Me too.
We are happy right now, right?
Yes, this is a happy moment. I think we should stop for the night.
Are we sleeping in the car?
Yes, our first night sleeping in the car.
I am excited.
Really?
Yes, it is like camping.
Let me find a good spot.
What about over there?
That looks safe. Let us park there.
Okay, how do we do this?
First, let us put the seats back.
Like this?
A little more. Can you stretch your legs?
Almost. Maybe if I move this bag.
Is that better?
Yes, much better.
But first, let us eat dinner.
Good idea. I am hungry.
What do we have?
Bread, cheese, some ham, and apples.
That sounds perfect.
Here are the paper plates.
And the plastic forks.
A simple dinner.
Simple, but delicious.
Food tastes better on a road trip.
I think so too.
Maybe because we are happy.
Or maybe because we are really hungry.
Probably both.
This cheese from that small store is really good.
I told you it looked good.
You were right.
I just noticed something.
What?
I have not looked at my phone much today.
Me neither.
That is unusual for me.
Maybe we do not need it out here.
We have everything we need right here.
The car, the food, and each other.
That is enough.
Are you finished eating?
Yes, I am full now.
Here is a blanket for you.
Thank you. Are you comfortable?
I think so. This is not too bad.
It is actually kind of fun.
Our little home for the night.
I need some fresh air. I'm going outside for a minute.
Okay, be careful.
It is so quiet out here.
Can you hear anything?
Just nothing, and then a truck far away.
Come back inside. It is getting cold.
Okay, that silence was a little scary.
Good scary or bad scary?
Good scary, like an adventure.
Get some sleep. We have more driving tomorrow.
Good night, Sam.
Good night, Ellie.
Wake up.
What time is it?
I do not know, but look outside.
Oh, the sunrise.
It woke me up.
That is the best alarm.
Look at the window. It is foggy.
From our breathing during the night.
Let me draw something.
What are you drawing?
A heart and our letters.
That is cute.
I want to go outside.
Okay, let us get some fresh air.
Oh, the air is so different here.
Clean and cold.
I can smell the grass.
And the earth.
This is how mornings should feel.
Not an alarm clock in a dark room.
Exactly. How did you sleep?
Pretty well, actually. Better than I thought.
Me too. I feel rested. So where are we going today?
I do not know. Where do you want to go?
Anywhere. That's the best part.
We can decide right now.
Total freedom.
Let us look at the map and choose.
I love that we can do this.
I found a motel for tonight.
A real bed?
A real bed.
I am so excited.
Look at that sign.
The bright sign, it is beautiful.
Old but still shining.
I want to take a picture of it.
Go ahead. I will check us in.
This motel is so simple.
The parking lot is right in front of our room.
So easy. We can see our car from the window.
Here is the key. Room 12.
A real key, not a card.
Old style.
I love it.
Let us see the room.
It is small but clean.
And the bed looks comfortable.
I'm going to take a shower first.
Okay, tell me how the water is.
Sam!
What?
The water is so strong.
Is that good or bad?
Good, I think. It feels like a massage.
Enjoy your shower.
That was the best shower of my life.
Better than home?
Much better.
I'm going to lie on this bed.
Me too.
Oh, this is nice.
So soft after sleeping in the car.
We made it.
We survived sleeping in the car.
Wait, I think I took the wrong road.
What do you mean?
We should have turned left back there.
How far back?
Maybe 10 minutes ago?
That is okay. We can turn around.
Are you sure you are not upset?
Why would I be upset? It is an adventure.
You are right. Sorry, I was worried.
Sam, look at the gas.
Oh no, it is getting low.
Is there a gas station near here?
Let me check. There is one 15 miles away.
Will we make it?
I think so, but let us drive slowly.
Okay, stay calm.
You are being so calm about this.
One of us has to be.
Thank you.
There, I see a gas station.
Oh, thank goodness.
We made it.
That was close.
But we solved it together.
We make a good team.
We do. You drive, I help with directions.
And you keep me calm.
I think we are more honest with each other on this trip.
What do you mean?
At home, maybe I would have been frustrated.
And I would have said it's not my fault.
But out here, it's different.
We are just trying to solve things together.
I like this version of us. We are going home tomorrow.
I know. It feels strange.
I am a little sad.
Me too. But also,
Also what?
I am glad we have a home to go back to.
That is true. That is a nice feeling.
Do you want to look at the map?
Yes, let us see how far we drove.
Look at all these places we passed.
I remember that gas station.
And that motel with the bright sign.
And that road with no cars for an hour.
We saw so much.
We talked so much.
And sometimes we did not talk at all.
Those were good moments too.
This trip changed something.
What do you think it changed?
I do not know. Maybe how I see us.
We can do things together.
Big things, hard things.
And enjoy them.
This trip is not really ending, is it?
What do you mean?
We will remember it forever.
It is part of our story now.
The road trip part.
I hope there are more parts.
There will be.
Promise?
Promise.
Let's do this again someday.
Definitely. Different roads, same feeling.
I cannot wait.
Me neither.
Thank you for this trip, Sam.
Thank you for coming with me.
Always.
Always.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English road trip story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What does Ellie say she needs to reach easily? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By answering in English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.